Why did the Civil Rights Act of 1960 face a 75-day filibuster? Imagine fighting for justice and equality, only to be blocked by a nearly 3-month-long debate. That's what happened during the fight for the Civil Rights Act of 1964. This law was a major step forward in ending racial discrimination in the United States. It aimed to stop segregation in public places, schools, and workplaces. But getting it passed was not easy. Many Southern senators strongly opposed it because they wanted to keep the racial separation that had been in place for years. They used a tactic called a filibuster, which is a way to delay or stop a bill by talking for a long time. In the Senate, senators can speak for hours to prevent a vote. These Southern senators, mostly Democrats, formed a united front to block the bill. They wanted to preserve the system of racial segregation that kept Black Americans and other minorities at a disadvantage. The filibuster started in March 1964, shortly after the bill was approved by the House of Representatives. It lasted 460 working days, including Saturdays, making it the longest filibuster against civil rights legislation in U.S. history. Senator Robert C. Byrd was one of the most vocal opponents, speaking for over 14 hours straight in defense of segregation. Supporters of the bill, like Senate Majority Leader Mike Mansfield and Democratic Whip Hubert Humphrey, worked hard to gather enough votes to end the filibuster. They teamed up with Republican leader Everett Dirksen, who helped change some of the bill's language to gain Republican support. Dirksen famously said that racial integration was an idea whose time has come, which helped sway key senators. Finally, on June 10, 1964, the Senate voted 71-29 to invoke cloture, which is a procedure to end a filibuster. This was a historic moment because it was the first time a filibuster against a civil rights bill was defeated. After that, the bill moved forward, past the Senate, and was signed into law by President Lyndon Baines Johnson on July 2, 1964. For Black Americans and the civil rights movement, this fight was about more than just laws. It was about challenging the deep-rooted resistance to equality. The Civil Rights Act of 1960 became a symbol of victory in the ongoing struggle for justice, ending legal discrimination, and helping pave the way for future progress.